Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, so, okay, anyhow, the matter with respect to your child, but there are how many, but how long you, where you met this girl?
I went to a massage parlor. I had my wife on thing, boy. And when this woman finished with me, boy, I leave my wife. And I real sorry. I real sorry. She did something to me, and watch me. I telling you, my wife, I sorry I leave she. And it was the biggest mistake. She had 4 children with 4 different men. I tried to help this woman in all means and all way. Listen, she had 4 children, none of them are going to school. One of them was attending a Rangwest Junior Tech. She had was stop because she's pregnant.
So when this woman massage you leave wife and everybody?
Well, after the massage was something else, Mr. Ian. And I'm real sorry for leaving my poor wife.
Go ahead. What was you on this man?
Well, he lying, of course, but I work plenty places, Ian. Yes, I did, but not at that time when you was talking about I meet you inside.
So you do that kind of massage business too?
I used to do it for a short period of time, but not what he talking about there. No, not what he was talking about there. That was before I met him. Before I met him with the previous husband, I was working there.
Okay, no problem.
So just imagine, I the 5th man, you understand? I the 5th man, watch how my man she pass through it. Like none of she children is not going to school, Mr. Ian. Actually, the question why? Actually, what happened on the 27th?
Anyhow, hold up. What about the woman and Mara? Let me get down to business.
The whole point about it, I'm going
to sue her. I learned one thing, eh? Let me tell you what I have learned over the years. You see, when wife and husband and boy and girl break up, well, I say like I get a massage, you everything's falling. Right? But let me tell you something. You see, when these things happen, you find people come here and say, I leave my wife, but she take up her man and the man interfering with my child. That is a normal thing. So I wouldn't really go with that. And sometimes you might say, when I send my daughter across, so he have a friend, or he have some woman now beating up the girl. Or can I rigmarole story? And they will go to the police with us. So I am not moved by your statement. I am not moved by your statement. I don't care what massage you get, what flex you get. I don't know. But nevertheless, what's going on with the woman Almera?
The whole point about it is that why she come up now?
The Primera.
All what she see, why she didn't take and the evidence, what she have the substantial evidence and go to the police.
I put you on the police.
They're looking into the matter right now.
Right, Sergeant Swamp, I put you on too.
Yeah,
is there footage?
Yes.
Right, so let the police handle that.
Well, that is the whole point about it. She tried to discredit
so
me and bring me down. I want to sue her.
Well, forget the sue, Dil. Yeah. Forget the sue. Dil, what about the little girl? I mean, you must miss your daughter.
Yeah, but she in rat and cockroaches. Watch me infested the place. I want the Welfare Association to go in the morning and see where my little daughter is. You understand what I'm talking about, Mr. Me come here to lie and waste time like she, you know. You understand? I come here to talk the facts. Everybody that's built a toilet on the outside, them built it inside the house. I talking about them latrines and them, and it's infested with rats and cockroaches.
All right.
You understand? This is where my daughter going through. Them lucky, I real cool, you know. Because next man I done lost here already, you know, and tripping, you know. You understand? They don't know laughing matter here, you know. But I just cool because the law is the law. The 24th I will get justice. Okay. And it's only because at the 24th she had to go to court with me. She bring up this matter. Since 2011.
Hold on. How long have you been looking for this car, ma'am?
Since 2011, I'm trying to get on to you, Mr. Ian.
Okay. So how long? Hold on a second, Dil. How long? So when was it? Well, okay. At the beginning of the year or the end of the year, did you make any police report about this thing?
I went and make lots of reports.
There is a history. It's not a matter. She's waiting. The woman waited to bring up this matter. But what happened? You bought the car for the woman.
Actually, she work and get money.
Hold on, did you? And you told me that you bought the
all the money I put out, Mr. Ian. All the money I put out.
But it's so coincidental. It's coincidental that when she all her break up and Tola decided to meet in the mall and she came with the car, and while she meeting you, the car gone. That's all.
She is the one who set up one of she ex-man to take the car and no one to blame me for it.
So maybe you get chained up twice again because first time you got massage, you get chained up, and now you get mall, you lost your car.
The only reason the car went on she name, right. I take a loan for Jeffrey Joseph. Yeah. You understand? I take a loan and the loan didn't pay off. This is why I didn't
drive a red Toyota car.
Yeah, I drive a red Toyota.
But you have a funny insurance right now.
You have a funny insurance.
Yeah,
I rectify that.
While I was looking for you, I realized you had a false insurance.
I rectify, Mr.
Yeah, sure?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
Okay.
I rectify.
I was on the ball now. I see you driving. So
big man thing, that rectify.
So what you plan to do? Let me know what you plan to do.
I want to know that car is mine also.
But you see, what we going to do? But the car is in her name, huh?
Yeah, but I have all my bills. Where the red car? Why I think all
the
these
red car in your name?
Yeah, that is my car.
The car is in her name?
Sure, all my receipts.
Huh?
The car is in her name.
Which car?
The red car home.
The red car, both of us buy the car. But the whole thing about the weakness are Indian men. Let me tell you something. When we go to purchase something, they say put everything in she name. And automatically she own everything. Where you work and get money, girl? Eh? Look at all my contracts here. Where the work I just be doing. This is not no lie. Where you think this is lie? Where you think this is lie? I was working. All right.
Don't call no employer name.
No employer name. Tell Mr. Ian on the 27th of August, what happened in the corner of Farouk Avenue, El Sico Road in San Juan?
What happened in Farouk?
No idea what he's speaking about.
She had 2 henchmen, one with a gun, one with a knife. Put me out of the car and drive away with my little daughter. And I see my daughter when she was 2 years old. This is what she do. Ask her what happened on the 12th, at the 2012, the eve before Diwali, when I leave the
Wow, beautiful daughter is this. Is that beautiful? This is your daughter?
Well, so they say.
Yeah, and you only talking about that old thing.
Old thing? It's not old thing. You can't come here on national TV in front of everybody. As I know, man, thousands and thousands of people know me.
Beautiful.
I don't work in Trinidad.
Baby.
You understand, brother?
He's talking crap because he don't
Talking
mind
crap.
child.
How I mind my child? When anytime I come, they all blocking and hiding she in here and all kind of thing. Your mother chaining you up. You understand? It's just a matter of time. It's about God above, you know.
And you're going to leave it to the courts? With respect to the car, that matter, I'm sure I met with the police. I spoke to the police already. Sorry. I spoke with the police and they said that the matter with respect to the car. Go ahead.
All my things in the house is mine, and I have my bills and things.
Okay, we're going to get Mr. Rampros. Hey, talking about Mr. Rampros, there's a pit here. There's a pit here, there's a pit here, there's a pit here. But you know, you are amazing too, you know. One little squeeze up you get and you leave home.
Nah, it wasn't squeeze up really, you know.
No comment to think about it. Don't think
No, I bigger than that, you know.
Big man thing?
Yeah. I tell you. I'm sorry I leave my woman, boy. For this, boy. Telling you, boy. That's the biggest mistake I made in my life.
You had kids with your wife, yeah? The woman you left her for?
No.
Well, I had a good thing going.
Yeah.
Wow. And how long you live with this woman for?
8 miserable years, Mr.
Like, I'll be 8 miserable years. Oh, God, must have a good time too.
Well, I get few little massage and he said.
Huh? What's that? What's that?
Yeah, it was only 4.5 years. So he's extending the truth.
You're extending the truth. The only thing extending is the truth.
No, but there are people to tell the truth, you know. You understand?
He just pay people to do everything for him. So I
Let's
guess
go into this credit. You credit both of you, but I just wanted to find out because everybody have been calling me about this car, and I just wanted to get investigation, get both parties. You see, they'll do no hard feelings for me because you know, but massage you.
I worked there when I was with my previous Camilo husband.
This is why she never stay with her
Not
man.
with
Who
him.
not there,
All right, sorry.
Not with him. So he just changing it around now. But my previous husband, we were able to tell you about it.
Okay.
Yeah, I was working there when I was with him, not with him.
So you saw him there. He came for massage.
No, he never came in for no massage. I didn't know him that time.
Oh, but then you know, you want to say never come for no massage, boy.
Yeah, that was a private call, boy. I telling you. She the same way how she saying that I trying to make she look bad. So where she was trying to do all the time, not make me look bad. Is the truth I talking me and lying? I sorry I didn't take a picture when she was massaging me. You understand?
He's a
He's a chronic liar and a chronic thief, so nobody believe what
But
he
you take all them time for
He
8
have a
years you
problem.
take to realize that now?
He have a
And
problem.
so long, the car is since 2011 and now you get to realize that to come on national TV. You understand?
Well, I
Be
come
real
to
now,
get
girl. Be real now,
get
girl.
justice now.
Be real
but
now.
come
man.
and think about it. Why so long?
No, you and I trying since 2011. I went front.
Every day on TV.
I went police complaint. All about
But how no police never come and
Nobody
arrest
take
me?
on until I tell them about seeing him on TV. Then they
But why so much years?
I trying for the longest while, you know.
You really believe that, Mr. Ian? Huh? All you had was to
have
do
all the
is go
reports,
and
right?
give one of them police a good massage and
Reports
they
all
investigate that matter. Immediately.
You tell me all about this massage parlor, yeah? But it's still existing?
Them doing the thing secret, Mr. Ian, boy.
That was a long time ago. So nobody knows.
I feel you
that
calling her.
client.
I feel you calling her.
Huh?
You calling her?
Mr. Ian, right. I'm glad you bring up the calling thing. She say how I threaten she, right? I'm willing to give you my phone and she phone and check it through TSCT and see if I ever call that.
You ever
See
call
if I
her?
ever call that.
And plus, he
See
sent
if
a
I ever
text.
call that and threaten that.
Yes, no, I'm gonna get the text and show you.
And I want you to read it, Mr. Ian. You know, stupid, you know. Use the sheriff in the tongue.
Thanks very much. I hope you have 100,000.
Because I planted to you. That is a threatening
Well,
text.
he always.
That is a threatening text. Huh? Thank you. I hope you have $100,000 because don't talk to my lawyer to sue you for bringing me on national TV.
All right, so what is the court date?
The 27th of March.
Let's wait for
the
24th of March.
24th.
You have your summons already?
She don't get...
You were already given a summons. You have to
up.
appear. You got your summons, sorry. You got your summons, everything. All right, let's take it to the courts. When we come back, let's take a break. Some guy I met a couple of years ago at Queens in New York, and he's here now, but what happened? He's not here on a vacation. Apparently he paid somebody to build a house, but coincidentally, the person who built the house for him, the person's mother-in-law is in studio now saying that the son-in-law and her daughter knows what's happening when we come back.